Welcome back to J-Chemic Lead. Today I'm working on my handy dandy Ryobi BP42. Runs well, but lately it's once it gets warm, it loses spark. So it generally means the coil is failing. So my flea bait, let me see if I can get the glare to stop. There we go. There's your part number. Made in China. Hopefully it looks better than what's here. You run it for a while, especially in the warmer weather. Let it sit for 10 minutes, lose the spark, won't start again. Sit for a few hours, starts right back up again. So, get this off here. Looks like the right part, right end. Let's put that in here. Let's see. Yeah, close enough. Let's see if it'll work. Okay, now to get the cover off. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What you'll have to do is on this cover here, because the back sits over where the cover is, loosen the 2 screws on the bottom where the little spring suspension is. That's where you have a little room to push. Some guys remove it completely, but you have to be careful of the let me see, get this over. You have to be careful of the lines. You got to give yourself enough slack, or else you'll yak the lines out as the 2 pieces separate, because the tank stays part of this. Show you that. There you go. Yeah, the tank is bolted to the back piece, so this piece moves independently. You end up ripping the lines out. Depending on how much slack you got. Okay. Now I probably have to remove, in order to snake this around. Let me see if I can get it out without having to remove it. I don't think I'm going to have enough room. Nah. I'll just, oh, and having enough reach will come in handy when you get down, when you have to get down in here. A couple of extensions and you're good. Extensions off. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, taking off the cover. T25. Oh, there we go. One. This may be smaller. Yeah. Replace that one once before. Let's see what we got. There you go. Cover off, filter, and then we can get this one out of the hook. Let's see what we got. Pop it out of the notch that it's in, and hopefully I can squeeze it in here. Yes, I can. Look at that. Like I meant to do that. There we go. Oh, that's in there. Let's see if we can convince it otherwise. There we go. Oh, that goes in tight. I might be able to do it. Yeah, why not? Little extension down through here. And let's see if we can get it. Squeeze in there tight. And there we go. Okay, before I do that, let me get the tab off, get this out of the way. Yeah, I should have did that first, but okay. There we go. Get that little for the kill switch right there. Pop that off. Now it's cut off. Let's see at this angle. Let's see what I can do here to get this up in the eye. Block of styrofoam. See if I can get it at a right angle. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm working on that one there. Pretty long. Okay. That's a washer. Get that. There we go. And coil comes out. Okay. Make sure you get that little grounding strap through there. And keep my freakishly large cranium out of the picture. It's not even straight. There we go. Get that started. Get this started. Get them down most of the way, and then we'll set the gap. Okay, we get our handy dandy gapping tool. You get a better quality one. And just the perfect 10,000th. Slide it along till the magnet gets there. The magnet will hold it in place. It'll give you a perfect gap. And just tighten it down. Okay, side. Okay, remove the precision gapping tool, and we're good. Perfect 10,000th every time. And hook the wire back up. there. Put it back in. 2 in there, nice and tight. Let's see if we can thread this back the way it's supposed to be. Get it around the wires first. Get it around the hoses. Get this up, get it around there. There's a couple of notches that this has to go through. One here. Get it beneath. There's one. Right there. What in my hand? Right there. There's another notch that the wire goes into. Getting around the guard. And the hoses. Into there. Come on. Get down there. She's got a little extra here. Let's see if we can back out a little bit. There we go. And there we go. Yeah, they give you a little extra. Let me see if I can fish this around. There we go. Get that down in the original notch. And the case. This way it's not pinching. I'll put the cover back on. Yeah, get down there. There we go. There we go. That should do it. Nice. It's not binding. Here, down this notch. Again, not quite sitting where it should, but it's not quite the OE part either. There we go. Yeah, that'll work. Down here, nothing's pinching. Yeah, that should hopefully that should do it. Okay, now, going to take a leap of faith rather than, well, test it. Let's see if it actually works. No, wrong one. And that's it. Okay, nice and dry. Okay, let's see if we actually have spark. If we do it, might as well do it right. Okay, what size is that? Metric. Okay, let's see if we can get a little metric action happening here. Oh, a little bigger. There we go. Okay. Okay, check the direction. It's counterclockwise. Okay. risk. Yeah, didn't produce very much spark. There we go. Let me get that in just a tad tighter. Wrong one. I need a more bigger one. I was expecting much more gooder spark. Bit. Nothing spectacular though. I was expecting a lot more. Maybe that gap needs to be a little closer. I'll try it. I'll go with the whole feeler gauge thing. Maybe I gotta get it a little closer. Let me try that. We gapped it at 8,000th. Yeah, it seemed to get a little bit of spark, nothing spectacular. I mean, it's got spark. Well, see if she runs. Get this cover back on, and we'll do a test fire. Yeah, got her all back together. Cover wasn't too bad. Yeah, I'm not gonna prime the button here because I've spun it around a few dozen times. Let's see what we get. Just for shits and giggles. And we're good. Now hopefully, once I get it all nice and warm, set it down for 10-15 minutes, and she should start right back up again. In theory. Yeah. Well, I know I'm not the first one to do a coil on this. I looked at a few of them online. But, hopefully you can glean a little something. Thanks for watching.